Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Bart the Barber. I'm over here at Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville, Florida. What I want to talk to you about today is this clipper right here. This is the Andis Envy. It's a really good clipper. This is not the wireless one, although they made a wireless one, and it's a pretty good clipper. But I have to do a review on this one right here today. So stay tuned, and I'll tell you everything you need to know about this. Now the Andis Envy is a very affordable clipper. If you need a decent clipper to fade in, this is a pretty good clipper. This is I recommend this clipper for any new barbers that's just starting out. Maybe if you're in school or you're just trying to do your apprenticeship and you want a decent clipper that's affordable, this should be it. It comes with a pretty stable or decent stainless steel blade. The moving blade has a lot of grooves in it, so it's a pretty good blade. I think I bought this one online for about 40 bucks on eBay or Amazon. I don't remember which one it was, but this was a really good deal. This has the hook on the back, so if you got hooks on your station, you go ahead and just hook it up. It's a professional clipper. It has the round cord. It's a really powerful clipper. It has an adjustment on the side where you can adjust the speed of the blade, or I guess just adjust how far it goes left and right as the moving blade moves. This is an adjustable clipper, so you are able to adjust this lever. I could compare it to like an entry level Andis Master. It's not an Andis Master, but it's an entry level. They also have another version of this clipper. It's called the Andis Fade Clipper or something like that. But instead of saying Envy here, it says Fade. It normally comes in gold, black, or black writing. It's just as good as this. You can actually use the blade, the fade blade, on this Envy, and you'll have the same clipper. So it's just like the Andis Master, how you have the Fade Master, the Fat Master, and the regular Master. Same thing. All you have to do is change this blade. Personally, I use this clipper on just about all my clients. It's not my go-to clipper. I use it if sometimes I just switch it up. So I use it on just about any client. Some clippers are better with African American hair or straight hair. I use this on everybody. It's a real good clipper to fade in. It doesn't get hot on you. It's a little loud, but it's still a good clipper. Well, let me plug it up and do a sound check. Alright, so I'm not sure if you can hear it. It's a little low, but if I compare it to an Andis Master, I would take, it feels good. It's just it feels really good. It's nice vibration. To me, it's a little loud. It's a little louder than the hum of an Andis Master. I would compare it, but I just don't feel like doing it. But if you compare it to an Andis Master, this might be a little bit louder. Like I said, I like the way it feels when you hold it. It fits your hand real good. It kind of feels a little cheap because the plastic, especially if you're used to using the Andis Masters, I think the fast feed might be a little more sturdy. This kind of sounds a little cheap, but like I said, it feels good. It feels like a good clipper. It never let me down whenever I used it, and I don't know, it kind of reminds me of a wall clipper, but it's made by Andis, so I don't know. If you like this video and you need to know anything else about it, if I missed anything, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, or leave a comment and let me know what you think about this clipper. If you're thinking about getting it, I definitely recommend it to those new barbers. But if you're an experienced barber, this is probably not what you need to go to, because like I said, you get a closer cut with the Andis Fade clipper, and it's not as versatile as any other clipper. So oh yeah, there's one thing I forgot to mention. The Andis magnetic guards with the single magnet on it are made for these clippers here. This is what they're made for. They're not made for fast feeds. They're not made for masters. The one with the single big round magnet on it, the purple detachable, the purple magnetic guards are made for these here. There's room for the big magnet, and they fit snug on here. I don't have a pair of those because I just use this just to fade, ball fade. I just use this to fade ball fades sometimes when I go to it. But this is a good clipper, and it's actually made for the magnetic purple guards that Andis make. So those are made for the Andis Envy and the Andis Fade clipper. So like I said, if you like what you hear, go ahead and hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.